So what is parallel stream? Parallel stream split the source data into multiple parts. It processes them in parallel and combine the results and output the results. Parallel stream leverage multi-core processor, resulting in a substantial increase in performance. Parallel programming is complex and error-prone. However, the Java Stream library provides the ability to do it easily and in a reliable manner. Parallel stream uses the fork join framework that got introduced in Java 7. There are two ways to create parallel stream. One such way is to obtain a parallel stream by invoking the parallel stream method defined by collection. The second way is to invoke the parallel method defined by base stream on a sequential stream. The sequential stream is parallelized by the invocation. The underlying platform must support parallel programming, otherwise there is no point in the invocation. How to create a parallel stream? You can create a parallel stream by invoking parallel or calling the parallel method on the stream. For example, in this case, I am calculating sum of 1000 number by using parallel and calculating the sum. So here int stream.range close 1 to 1000.parallel.sum. How many threads are created? Number of threads created is basically equal to number of processors available on the machine or number of cores available on the machine. Now let's see how we can create a parallel stream. So for this we'll be creating a different package, and the name of the package is com.modernjava.parallel stream. And inside this package, create a new class, and the name of the class is parallel stream example. And let's create public static void main. Now we'll be creating two static methods, one for processing the sum of integers from 0 to 50,000 using sequential way, and the other one is to process the sum of 0 to 5,000 using parallel stream. So public integer static sum of sequential string. And here we'll be creating an int stream dot range close 0 to 50,000 dot sum, and then return this sum. Static and then integer. Okay. And the next method will return sum of 0 to 5,000 numbers by running in parallel and calculating the sum. So public static integer sum parallel stream, return int stream dot range close 0 50,000 dot parallel dot sum. And let's call these methods and print out the result. So call the first method and sum sequential plus sum of sequential sum of sequential string, and sum parallel plus sum parallel string. Now let's run this program. So you can see that both the sums are equal. Here the program is running and calculating the sum in sequential, and here it is running and calculating sum of 0 to 50,000 numbers in parallel by splitting the task into multiple tasks and calculating sum in parallel. In the next section, we'll measure the performance of sequential and parallel stream.